Hey guys, for this video, I just wanted to go over norms and expectations for Google Classroom. So for chemistry, welcome back. I missed seeing you guys. I want to take some time just to set the expectations and what you guys need to do. Mesa set up a master schedule and they gave Tuesdays and Thursdays to math and science. So if you're going to get new work through Google Classroom for science or math, it's going to push it out around 10 a.m. on Tuesdays. Then Thursdays is time for us to review and give you guys feedback. That doesn't mean you won't be working on assignments in between that time. That's just kind of the schedule that they want us to try and stick to. Um, each of the teachers are hosting office hours from Mondays to Thursdays, Fridays for crew. So I picked 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. I'm pretty much available other times. Both my kids are doing online learning, so it just means there's more background noise and I may be juggling some other things. But those are times where I should have uh, be most available, I would say. But if there are other times, just give me some flexibility. So what is chemistry going to look like through Google Classroom? Well, it's going to be fun. Um, Online learning is a challenge. We're not in the lab, but it doesn't mean I'm just going to replace everything with worksheets and videos of me droning on and on and on. We're going to do fun things, and we're going to probably do some stuff where you guys can get outside. They'll be creative. You'll have some choice in what you're going to turn in. But it is going to be online learning, so that means you guys really need to be organized and pay attention. I know that from having taken some online classes in the past, and we're going to go slow. We'll ramp up over time and we'll adjust so that things work. On assignments, so in Google Classroom, you're going to have the new assignments. They'll show up under quarter four. So Q4, there's a topic heading. Each assignment is going to be self-contained. That means everything that you need will appear on the assignment. We're not meeting for like a set classroom time. We're just going to be using Zoom and conferences to go over questions you guys might have or extra practice. So everything should be in the assignment. That will include videos, instructions, worksheets, tutorials. I'm going to make sure everything has a rubric so you guys know that you're meeting all the requirements. And we're going to have some set deadlines so that you know when you have to have the work done and you don't fall behind. Most likely, the assignments are going to be something creative and they're going to be submitted electronically. So, presentations, graphic organizers, online discussions. We'll probably work towards some quizzes, but it's going to be a while. And they would be open notes. I'm going to keep things manageable. The school wants us to keep things to 4 hours per day total. So that means you're not going to have big, long assignments necessarily, but it'll be fun. Don't worry. We'll use virtual meetings, like I said, for small group interactions, one-on-one stuff, extra practice, maybe even just set up a Zoom meeting if you guys just want to chat and talk about science. We can do some of that as well. So be on the lookout for new assignments on Tuesdays, right? Review the assignment on Tuesday, even if you're not going to start it, so that you know that you can get it done by whatever the deadline is and make sure you don't have any questions. Key to online learning, in my opinion, is being proactive, making sure that you understand what it is you need to do. If you read all the instructions and you don't get it, it's a good sign that you need to reach out to me. Just don't wait till the last minute. So I expect you guys, just like in the classroom, to respect each other. If you're rude or inappropriate, I'm not going to tolerate it. It will impact your grade. Just keep doing the things that you guys do in class. Make sure you're supporting each other and make sure you use those opportunities. You can practice a new concept by answering one another's questions. So you can use those comment tools that are on the Google Classroom to answer each other. Just like I said, be respectful. I might be looking for some volunteers. So Zoom has breakout rooms. I was thinking that some of you may want to practice and help one another rather than have me do it. And so if you want to volunteer to help in a breakout room, that would be really great. Um, no cheating. All right. I know we're going to be learning online, but any kind of plagiarism, anything like that is not going to be tolerated, and you're just going to get an automatic 0. So don't even bother. There's no reason to cheat. Late work, Okay, so last quarter we had a lot of late work. You guys still have quarter three stuff out there. You may want to try and reach out to me and get that work in before, admin doesn't let me change grades. Um, so if you turn in work late, you're gonna lose points. You just need to reach out to me ahead of time. That's again why you should be proactive and make sure you know what's expected. I understand some of you are probably sharing technology or you have other responsibilities at home right now. So just reach out to me if you can't meet a deadline. And then the last piece is feedback. Uh, this is new to me as well. So I want you guys to tell me how things are going. Is it taking you too long? Is the technology a roadblock for you? Um, just let me know how things are going for you so I can support you in any way I can. Remember, we're all in this together. Yeah, that's right. I worked it in. We are crew, not passengers. So I hope everything's going well. Again, if you're having any issues with Google Classroom, just let me know. And I will post this document online so you can refer back to it in case you need it.